Are you looking to add value to your life for some new opportunities? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I have so much goodness to share with you all. So let's just get right on into it. Today, I wanted to share something of possible value to you. It has been of value to me as we have been here together and you have trusted me with all of your felting tutorials and learning and the products and stuff. I just wanted to take this opportunity and extend something with you all that has been working for me, and it might work for you too. Or this might even add value to others around you. My name is Iceland. I am a fiber artist host, needle felting channel, SnowflakeForest felting. I have been doing that for too many years to count now, too much time. Let's just jump right on into talking about like the whole story of the needle felting and how I got into it. Some of you may remember this, about some of my injuries. I'm going to cruise right through it because I don't want to waste your time, and then talk a little bit more about these peptides here and Make Wellness and this opportunity and value. But let's catch you up to speed and how I even got here. As like I said, you've trusted me, so I just want to extend a little bit of my story and, you know, share value with you all. So when I tell you my story here, you're going to see why I feel very aligned with this and this opportunity and this company. I have a broken scaphoid bone in my hand from a car accident, and you know, I like to knit hats and crochet, and I was never able to get that fixed. The two insurance companies, one was like, your health should pay for it, the other was like, your car should pay for it, and it was just a huge battle, and they just were making me call back and forth, and we're kind of starting to get to the point of wanting to just refuse to help me altogether. So it was really discouraging, because to me I'd been paying for both insurances and one of them should have been there to at least help me through that, but that's what it is. And then because of that, I get inflammation and pain in here, and the constant crocheting and knitting led me to needle felting. That's a lot less, you know, painful on my wrist, a slower motion, just a lot less gentler activity, and I thought that would be fun and doing that and sharing that. And then also I started my original Iceland Odette Boylan's Happily Ever After, the personal kind of channel, was uploading all of this felting stuff there, and then I decided that that would be a better thing to split. And it was kind of hard because like the happy mushrooms video, that was like my best video and it was doing so well for the channel, and I should have just left it up and had them both places. And we also started a treasure chest memories channel. We like to adventure, and when I was doing all this, the babies were babies and I was able to keep up with it for that time. We lived in Hawaii, and I've been doing it since we've been back, and homeschooling the kids and just balancing all of it, and it's been a ton of fun. And I've been looking for an opportunity like Make Wellness, you know, products that are making me feel better, because I wasn't feeling great. I'd had a part-time job here and I just kept getting sick, and you know, Mike was doing his car part thing, and so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try these peptides. They're new, I have to wait for them, but I'm so excited to try it, and they've been working for me and through me, and just like, it's been such an incredible journey, and I haven't taken the moment to share it here on this channel. I've been doing it on all my other platforms, which I will be sure and link for you so you can go and check those out. It really is a fun, incredible, awesome journey, and I really feel honored to be leading the way in here and sharing this stuff with you today. Everything just feels very, very full circle, and it's incredible to just be here helping and leading others through this, and my children, and creating ripple effects and changes, those steps that lead to others wanting to make those changes as well as for themselves and feeling better, because it sucks to not feel good. Also brings into the peptide stack, and why I thought this would be a great time to share it with you all in our little trusted community here. And thank you for being a part of it and being here and supporting this channel all this time. I know I don't usually share products like this on my felting stuff. Again, you know, like I try to keep everything separate for you so you just can find directly what you need and easy when you're looking for it, because I do have a lot of interest. But for 90 days, 3 months, 3 peptides stacked, 3 lifestyle changes, trying to get so many steps in, and for me that's exercising. You truly can personalize it, make it your own, and drinking more water and cutting as much sugar as we can. And we've also been trying to just making sure we're conscious of the types of foods we're eating. It's a project, and it's been so great, and you really do when you're getting all the things that you can meet for your wellness met, it really does start to make a difference. Sleep is incredible. I've shared a little bit about that and just some memories and dreams and how those kind of like recur, but I think I'm healing, and I'm so glad that that's happening. And it's important to just be honest and truthful and share my story, and I do have a voice, and I'm not afraid to be honest with it and share things with you guys and just, you know, be making a difference and leading the way. Again, I want the best opportunities for everyone that we can be doing, and so take a moment, check this stuff out if you haven't, and that is Make Wellness, the peptides, what I have been up to and investing more of my time in. It is a little different now that the babies are not taking naps in the house and I'm trying to be quiet, and I do realize how important building muscle is for my health and longevity, and not just like sitting in a chair not moving my muscles for long periods of time. I have to be felting in shorter periods of time and just hitting the marks through the day. So it is a lot harder to work on this. I promise this channel is not going away. It's not changing. I'm not just coming to start sharing peptides here. I have 2 new tutorials that are going to be coming up. This fish and bear that I'm excited I've worked on. Even I have a bunch of time lapses and some stuff that I want to get up, some older content, and then just come with some fresh new content. I had an idea. I wanted to share some older type felted creations and tutorials, but I think it's time for a new change up in some creations, so I'm excited to see where that goes and keep sharing with you all here. It is very important for me to share with you guys that these are products I have been using for over a year now. I went to Florida for the launch of this company. I feel very invested in this company, and this company has invested back in me. They have trainings for direct sales and about the peptides multiple times through the week and through the month. I love it. It's been so much fun. We are learning with books. There's books of the months, and it's just been such a whole like wellness thing. They are really just pouring into the affiliates because that's, you know, how business are started. You know, it's just through talking with people and sharing things and creating those positive, healthy relationships. And that's a lot of what my needle felting has been about as well. Just loving others, sharing, helping, creating, and just doing fun things that create wellness, because having a creative hobby and outlet like this really does tie in, and we've got to be making sure we're checking off all the marks through our days of the things that are important for our bodies, so we can keep being better creators ourselves and adding value with our creations and our art. So that is why I have found so much value in Make Wellness, the support it's given me through the days, and making sure I'm doing all the things that are so important so I can help others even better and leading and keep serving, and that's what this is about. Unfortunately, I do feel like there was a time where my voice was really silenced, and I just want to use it for the best now and sharing something that adds value not just to my life but others' life. That is 100% what I want to be doing. I want to be focused on what's important and not past, not pain, but you know, that's why I had gone into massage therapy in the first place and went and seeked out a massage license, because I wanted to help people feel better, because I felt like I hadn't really been helped to feel better myself as well, and just kind of beat down. So it's important that we are building ourselves up and others up, and that's why I thought creating a space where I could teach others needle felting as well, because it had brought so much joy to my life and fun, just creating a neat outlet, even though it's so time consuming. And that is why I put a little more of my time into Make Wellness, because I have to be, like I say, spacing my time out. So that's what I have been up to, a little bit of an update as well here for you all. So I really do appreciate you sticking around, taking the opportunities to learn how to needle felt or these peptides or whatever it is. It really is so cool and a great space we've created here. So thank you again for being a part of it. And I'll see you all later.